So I saw this the other day and figured I'd make a little video on it. Spend crypto like cash with MetaMask card. MetaMask now has a debit card? What? I'm sorry, I'm confused. Seamlessly spend crypto everywhere you go. Set up your MetaMask card in minutes and start using USDC, USDT, and wrapped Ethereum? What? Anywhere MasterCard is accepted, instantly on Linea. I'm not 100% sure how to pronounce that. Not supported in the US. Okay. Your crypto stays in control. You're in control of your crypto until you're ready to spend it, without sacrificing custody of your assets. Powered by MasterCard and CryptoLife. MasterCard's network and CryptoLife's experience make it easy to spend your crypto anywhere in the world. The supported regions are the United States. I guess this is for certain things. The United Kingdom, the European Union, Switzerland, Brazil, Mexico, Colombia, excludes New York and Vermont. So, should we join the waitlist? MetaMask card waitlist. If you want to be notified when you may be eligible for a MetaMask card, please fill out your email and country of residence in this form. I might just enter for shits and gigs. And just like that, I've joined the waitlist. I didn't show any of the information I put in because that is my private information, but it says, thank you for your interest. You will hear from us as soon as you may access. You will hear from us as soon as you may. You will hear from us as soon as you may access to MetaMask card. That, I don't know if that's proper grammar or because I am actually illiterate. You will hear from us as soon as you may access to MetaMask card. Shouldn't there be the word have? You will hear from us as soon as you may have access to MetaMask card. I feel like that would be proper grammar. But I am illiterate, so I can't say shit. And just like that, we have joined the waitlist for the MetaMask card that I had no idea that they had. I really do hope it's metal, if anything. I probably won't even use it. I'll just keep it in my safe just for shits and gigs because it's pretty cool. But why not? Join the waitlist if you haven't. See if you're eligible, if you are in these supported regions. It does not say Canada, even though I am in Canada, but I can just use my VPN to change that somewhere else, obviously. Well, we'll see you in the next one.